On September 10th, 2022, the Economic Empowerment Summit took place, held by myEcon as a community
Since I've been in
day.
this company, I got 3 investment companies going on right now. About to cash in on one of them. I tell you, this company has taught me so much.
Participants learned how to fix their credit, eliminate debt, get paid to travel, and build multiple streams of income.
It has taught me so much, and I just love being in this company. Mr. Keith Tucker is my upline. Mr. Spencer is our upline, along with Mr. Ivy Stokes. And I am just so excited that God allowed me to be a part of this business. If you're looking for a one-stop shop, myEcon is really it.
Posture of needing to know that what is on the inside of you and it's nothing about the outside of you. That's the type of vision that you're building when you're developing who you are and what you have to offer. You can look at books that inspire and support your vision. Many books, Think and Grow Rich. Some others, you got to stay connected, attend the meetings and the trainings. If my cousin hadn't stayed connected, I might not have been able to connect. I'm not saying that I couldn't have.